Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself. Static will kill SSDs. First, unplug the charger and remove any removable battery, then use a pH0 screwdriver and an anti-static strap. Once ready, flip the laptop, remove the visible screws and pry the back panel along the seam. Use firm but controlled pressure so clips don't break. As you open, keep screws in order and note any shielding. This saves time when you reassemble and prevents misplacing the tiny standoffs. You'll now locate the existing drive. Most Acers use an M2 NVMe or a 2.5-inch SATA bay. If it's M2, remove the single standoff screw and lift the module out at an angle. If 2.5-inch, unplug the SATA connector and lift the caddy free. Install the new SSD by sliding an M2 into the slot until it seats, then fasten the screw or place the 2.5-inch drive into the caddy and reconnect the SATA cable. Make sure connectors are fully seated and screws are snug but not. Once the new drive is secure, replace the back panel and reinstall screws in their original positions, then reconnect AC and boot. Enter BIOS or UEFI to verify the SSD appears and set it as the primary boot device if installing an OS. If you clone the old drive, confirm the clone completed and shut down properly before swapping. Troubleshooting tip: if the drive is not detected, power down, reseat the SSD and connector, and check BIOS storage mode. Sometimes SATA must be enabled or NVMe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.